All right, thank you very much. Brittany, it is time to ask the pet doctor your questions about your pet. And the number to call, 741-9272. Dr. Jerome Williams from Red Mountain Animal Clinic joins us once again to answer your questions. Good to see you this morning.
Good mornings. Good to be here.
So this is, we're humans, we're dealing with the allergy season.
Yes,
Dogs
yes.
deal with that right now, and I'm sure you're seeing that in your office.
We are. And it's increasingly getting worse, but we're going to have a few months of this.
Right.
And fortunately, next month, we're going to have Dr. Hubbard on with us to talk about dogs' allergies specifically.
Okay, great. And then also, it's warming up, so I've already seen some ticks on our pets. We've had to pull those off, and now we've got the treatment on them. So,
right.
The over-the-counter things, do they work?
Some do, some don't. We're seeing problems caused by them. I would prefer that they see their veterinarian, get a product that we know works, we know is safe, and highly effective. So, and we get into that season, so we definitely need to get on those products and heartworm preventive products as well.
Right, and it's that time of year too, where not only are they out there, they're prevalent, but they can cause issues throughout the summer season,
Absolutely.
and that's not something you want.
And you don't want to get an infestation of either fleas or ticks in your home or your yard. You want to get on it now.
Again, so the number to call again, 741-9272, if you got questions about your pets. We've been talking about the allergies. I know we're going to do some segments on that later.
Right.
But some people may think, well, my dogs just seem kind of lethargic lately. There's some obvious symptoms just like we have when they're suffering from allergies?
Right. We can have allergic symptoms at any part of the body, whether we so often think of allergies just dealing with respiratory problems, with sneezing, coughing, runny eyes, that kind of thing. But also we can have it to food. The grass is one source of allergies this time of year.
Yeah.
All of those things cause a problem.
Okay.
And one of the home remedies they can use is Benadryl, 1 milligram per pound.
Okay. Good luck with getting that Benadryl down your dog's throat too. Buddy, is that easy, Janice? I don't think so. All right, we do have a caller on the line. Our first caller, I'm sorry, Suzanne, I missed the name. Okay, caller, if you're there, I'm sorry I missed your name. Can you go ahead with your question, please? Hello? Frank? Hey, Frank from Springville. Frank, how you doing? Frank? You there, Frank?
We're having some audio problems this morning.
I'm not sure.
it
Frank,
seems.
Frank, can you hear me? All right, so, first of all, the dog is losing hair apparently from Frank at Springville, if you're still watching. Dog's starting to lose hair. I guess maybe some mange. What could be causing that?
One of the things, they will lose some of the winter coat this time of year. So it could be natural shedding, could be nutritional. Make sure that you have a balanced diet with your pet and make sure they have those essential fatty acids. And the other thing, fleas are the most common cause of skin problems in dogs.
Okay.
So make certain that you have that under control. And internal parasites can also be a contributing factor.
All right, we do have another caller on the line. Who do we have here? Is this Frank? I'm sorry, you're good. Oh, all right, Beatty from Renfro. Beatty, good morning. How are you?
Fine, and you doing all right?
Doing all right,
Hello,
sir.
Beatty.
Thank you.
I called a couple of weeks, I think, back, and I've got a dog that eats sticks, and I had a bad connection, and I couldn't understand what the doctor said.
Okay.
A dog that eats sticks?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Well, many dogs will do that. We've had dogs in that's eating rocks, sticks. I don't have a solution for you to do that, except to clear the yard as best you can.
Yeah,
But
well,
some dogs would eat anything and everything.
It's not hurting him. I mean, as far as we can tell. So I just, I wondered about it.
If he's able to chew them up in small enough pieces while they pass, you'll probably be okay. But we've had to do some surgery to surgically remove foreign objects from pets. So it's one of those things you'd be concerned about.
Good luck with that. Appreciate that. That's a unique call, unique situation.
Yeah.
All right, Gloria is calling in from Bessemer. Gloria, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, what's your question for Dr. Williams?
I wanted to talk to Dr. Williams about, I have an Australian Shepherd puppy, and it has the multicolored eyes. And
I think the question she was concerned, from what I understand, about the dog's sight, possibly someday losing their sight because they have multicolored eyes. Is that true? Is that a myth?
I don't think it affects the longevity or the life cycle
Well,
of the. Go right ahead,
I
ma'am.
just heard that would eventually go blind.
I don't know the answer to that question, but I refer you to one of the 3 outstanding ophthalmologists, veterinary ophthalmologists in this town. You can call my office. We can give you their numbers. But I'd toss that question to them.
And all dogs at some point going to deal with that, right? If
Right.
they reach a certain age, if they can make it that long.
Right.
Yeah.
Cataracts are the most common problem we see in aging animals, like in people.
Right. And you'll
So-
just see that glazed over
Right.
the eyes.
And I don't know whether this breed is any more prevalent, in this breed or not. I just don't know.
All right. Maybe more myth than reality. All right. Thank you so much for the calls, Dr. Jerome Williams. Thank you so much.
Always good to be here.
Always good to
It's a
see you.
lovely day out there.
That's right. All right. More of a good day, including